So we do have some sewing products that we have a lot here. We're not going to go ahead and do a DIY with you guys tonight. What we'll probably do is I'll take some of these home, I'll sew them, and then on our next week's live, I will bring them so that I can tell you on a scale of 1 to 10 how easy and how difficult it was to go ahead and sew these bad boys up. So these are super cute. So this is, you're learning how to sew. Basically, in this box right here, you do have contents of felt, thread, yarn. You have a plastic needle, plastic beads, elastic rope, sequins, rhinestones, buttons, zipper, stuffing, and tape. This is your starter kit if you are interested in wanting to sew, or you have a little one who's interested in wanting to sew. This is so cute. In the back, it shows you all of the items that come with it right here. So if you can see right up here, it has all of the little items that it comes in. And then these are all the cool things on the front that you can do with the box as well. So if you have a little sewer in your life and you want to get them into sewing, take a look at this kit, learn how to sew. Remember, use our Amazon code Dealstories to get discounts, of course, on all of these amazing DIY craft ideas. And then, of course, you do have the plush llama. So, of course, you can make it for your little hands, it's made for little hands. You can make it yourself. It's creative, fun, and easy to do. So with this little llama kit, it comes with a plush fabric, felt, stuffing, a plastic needle, thread, and a pom-pom so that your little one can make a llama just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this home and sew up the llama, bring it back for next week's Live Tuesday so that we can show you how easy it was to go ahead and sew this llama together. On top of the sewing, there is also a felt unicorn. Easy peasy as well. And the coolest thing I like about these little sewing kits, they're ages 5 and up. It does come with all the accessories you need, like the felt, the yarn, the stuffing, and it comes with a plastic needle. So that's why when they say ages 5 and up, you don't want to be too worried because you do not have to use real needles. Your little ones don't have to use the real needles, just a plastic one so they do not hurt themselves. And of course, you do have a Fox Friend Fashion Designer Kit or a Bunny Friend Fashion Designer Kit. So same thing with these ones. They're 5 and up, and they come with the same materials as the felt, the thread, the gauze, the ribbon, the stuffing, elastic cord, and the plastic needle so that your little one can go ahead and create amazing designs or characters like the foxes, the bunny, the unicorn. These are absolutely amazing. Of course, the llama, and of course, the little accessories as well. So if you want to learn how to sew or have a little one in your family who's interested in wanting to sew, or you want to just do a bunch of DIYs, I would suggest to jump on these right away, because these are going to be selling out really quickly, and you want to take advantage of these because these are so cute DIY things to do with your little one. Anyone in the family that you think that would love or take advantage of these, take a look at our Amazon storefront page. Don't forget to use our code Dealstories because this is definitely a deal. And I will tell you there are different prices. So I think on the llama one, it's $21.97. You can use our code Dealstories. Once you are done, you are actually getting a nice plush llama. How convenient is that? I love it. And then, of course, for our Learn How to Sew kit, that is going for $20.79 right there. Remember, use our code Dealstories. Love this because you do get multiple items that you can actually create, like headbands, a little wall hanger. And I think that this one was what was that? That was a cell phone case holder. And you also have one that you can put your little pencils, your coloring stuff in there as well. So with this one, you are actually getting a bunch of items that your little one can actually put together. And I like this because you can actually spend quality time with your little one and teach them how to sew properly. For the, do we get prices on this one right here? It looks like it's also in the same type of pricing as well, hey? So about $20 or so, and you get the little fox or the bunny, and you can actually create Ooh. The fox has 3 different outfits, and so does the bunny. So you create one character animal and 3 different outfits. How cute is that? I love it. So of course, you are letting your little one get creative, using the mind, learning how to sew. That's absolutely such a big thing, especially for our kids nowadays, to plug off of the social media. So if you guys are interested in any of these sewing kits, please take a look at our Amazon storefront page. Use our Amazon code Dealstories, just like the name on the shirt. Take advantage of these amazing prices because remember, 19 days before Christmas ends.